SimilarWeb is a tool that estimates the total amount of different traffic websites get. It lets you see competitors' top traffic sources. And we can see straight away how much traffic they are getting. What are the different marketing channels that they are focusing on? Google Trends is a great free tool to expand your keyword research for SEO. Especially through the related queries, you can find completely new keywords that you didn't realize earlier. You see breakout instead of a percentage, it means that the search term grew by more than 5,000%. Canva makes branding images as simple as a drag and drop. Whether you choose to use your logo, social media handles, or a hashtag, what was once a time-consuming task will only take a few minutes. vidIQ is a SaaS product designed to help YouTube creators find topic and keywords for their videos. The tool also has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that assists with creating SEO-friendly titles, descriptions and tags. Keyword Surfer is a 100% free extension that allows you to see search volumes directly in Google search results.